Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu was the second caliph of Islam. When he took on this role, the Muslim empire was expanding rapidly, and he governed with great wisdom and justice. The foundation of his role was fairness and equity. He was so sensitive to the suffering of ordinary people that he would walk the streets of Medina in disguise at night to make sure no one in need or distress went unnoticed. One night, he was walking on the outskirts of Medina. As he passed a tent, he heard the sound of children crying from inside. Curious, he approached and saw a woman with a pot on a stove and several children crying nearby. "O servant of Allah," he asked, "why are the children crying?" The woman replied, "They are hungry, that's why." Surprised, Umar radiallahu anhu asked, "Then what are you cooking in the pot?" The woman sighed and said, "There is nothing but water and some stones in the pot. I am doing this to deceive them and keep them quiet, because we have nothing to eat at home." Tears came to Umar radiallahu anhu's eyes upon hearing this. He understood that under his rule as caliph, no one should be left hungry. He immediately returned and brought a large sack of flour and some ghee from the Bait al-Mal, or the state treasury. His assistants came forward and offered, "O leader of the believers, let us carry the sack." Umar radiallahu anhu firmly replied, "No, I will carry this burden myself, for on the day of judgment I will have to bear the burden of this woman's hunger." He carried the sack of flour on his shoulder and returned to the tent. He lit the fire himself, mixed the flour and ghee, and made bread, which he fed to the children. Once they were full, the children began to play and laugh. Hearing their laughter, a smile of contentment appeared on Umar radiallahu anhu's face. He then told the woman, "Come to the caliph's court tomorrow, and I will arrange more food for you." The next day, the woman went to Umar radiallahu anhu's court. When she found out that the man who had brought her food in the dark of the night was none other than Umar radiallahu anhu, the caliph of the Muslim world, she was filled with a sense of shame and respect. This incident is a brilliant example of Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu's justice, humanity, and profound sense of responsibility toward his people.